Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got 5 super easy hacks for you to organise and style your home. Let's go. Hack number 1 is to use throw baskets to house and display your throws and blankets. This is a great way to add texture to your space, and it's also a great grab and go method. It gives easy access to you and your guests for any extra coziness needed throughout the day. Alternatively, you can fold and hang your blankets and throws over the backs and arms of your chairs to stylise your overall seating space. And this is a great way to make your space feel cosy and inviting. Hack number 2, if you're a keen cook or a foodie at home, you can stylise and display your favourite herbs and spices using decorative jars. They look great out on display in your kitchen, and it just makes it really easy to grab what you need whilst you're cooking up a storm. I purchased these lovely jars from Amazon, and then I bought a Dynamo label maker just to give them a bit of an edgy vibe. Hack number 3. Now, this might just be me, but I find that having lots of individual photo frames on your shelves just looks really messy and cluttered. So let's make a feature out of them by curating a gallery wall. Perhaps you've got a wall that you've been struggling with and you've been a bit lost with what you should do with it. A gallery wall is a great option to still have your photos on display, but it looks really cohesive. Or you can buy a multi-aperture photo frame, just like the one I've got here, so you can have all of your photos and memories displayed at once. As you can see, I'm yet to fill mine out, but when I do, I will be using my HP sprocket to do so. And it means that I can then also have this on my shelf and then display it with all my other things as well. Hack number 4, if you're trying to bring in more indoor plants into your space, I suggest making windowsill gardens. This is a great way to make a feature out of those lovely plants in pretty pots. Remember to use the triangular method where you display things at different heights. The plants themselves will love being in natural light, and it makes your space just feel really put together as well. And lastly, hack number 5, this is specifically for your kitchen and bathroom. Please, please, please get rid of those horrible plastic bottles. I'm talking washing up liquid, hand wash, shampoo and conditioner bottles. Please get rid of them and instead display all of that stuff in these beautiful bottles. These are amber glass bottles, and they just make a lovely, aesthetically pleasing addition to your space. They make the space feel really styled and cohesive, and ultimately they'll lift your mood every time you use them. So they were my 5 hacks to help organise and style your home. Let me know down in the comments which were your favourite, and if I should have included anything that's sprung to mind. I will of course add everything that I featured down in the description. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I shall see you in the next video.